Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start inside the Google Maps app, open it on your phone, and tap the profile icon at the top right. Once you tap that icon, choose Settings from the menu so you can reach Display Controls. Next, find Distance Units in Settings. That is the only built-in control for unit display. Make sure you're signed into the account you use regularly, because settings follow that app instance. Now tap Distance Units to reveal the selection choices, and proceed to pick the option you want. You'll see 3 options: metric, imperial, or automatic. Select the one that matches how you want distances shown. Choose metric for kilometers/meters or imperial for miles/feet. Automatic will follow your device locale and regional defaults. Once you tap your choice, Maps updates distances in directions and measurement labels instantly without restarting. If you use both phone and tablet, repeat on each device. Remember why this matters. Confirm the change by searching a route or tapping a place card and checking distance labels. They should reflect metric or imperial immediately. If you don't see the update, force close Google Maps and reopen it. That clears cached UI state. Once done, make sure your device region and language settings match expectations if you use automatic, because region controls unit preference. If problems persist, sign out and back in, or reinstall the app to clear persistent settings. That resolves most remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.